now that people can walk through. It's just like your truck at home. Whoa. Because the gate opened. The gate opened. Can you say San Juan Capistrano? We gotta go over the bridge to make it through the right way. To walk our bikes across. Cool. Wow. Whoa, we're at the beach. The water. Back on the bike. More. Whoa. Hi. You did it!
You did!
High five. Whee! Woohoo! Park. Up?
Up down.
Chugga, chugga. Excavator, bulldozer, crane trucks, under the tunnel.